Umar University, abbreviated as UTU, is a public university in Melabuh City, West Aceh Regency, Aceh Province, which was established on November 10, 2006. It was inaugurated as a state university by President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono, April 2014. So, what are the facilities at Umar University? Let's watch the video. Let's take a look at the facility at Umar University. Umar University has a myriad of sporting facilities for its students. Some of them are free Wi-Fi, worship and training facilities, laboratories, restaurant, language center, campus buses, and beachless, student press, and public areas. Okay, that was a brief explanation about Umar University. Sorry if there are mistakes and shortcomings. See you at Umar University. Thank you.